When you think of the word spicy, you probably think of peppers or chilies or something along that line. However, today, spicy is going to mean cinnamon and nutmeg. Today, we are in the Better Homes and Gardens Cooking for Two book, and we're going to be making spicy crunch muffins. Now, this cookbook dates back to 1969, an era that we certainly have done quite a bit in our videos here. So if you want to see more videos from that era, go back and take a look in our video archives on the channel here. Now, there are only two people in my family, currently, myself and my wife, so cooking for two is going to be very convenient for today. And actually, the video that I'll be making after this one is going to be from the same cookbook. So if you like this one, check out the next one and see if you like that one as well. But today is all about the spicy crunch muffins. And so we're going to start here with just some basic flour, and we're going to sift our dry ingredients together. We have flour, we have some baking soda, we have salt, and I have the ground cinnamon and the nutmeg in the same little ramekin here. Going to put that in to be sifted in as well. And into the mixture that we just sifted together, we're going to put some brown sugar as well as some chopped walnuts. And then before we add our wet ingredients to the dry, we need to mix all of the wet together. So I have 1 beaten egg here. I have a 1/3 cup of milk. And I have 2 tablespoons of salad oil, or vegetable oil. We're going to add all of our wet ingredients at once into the dry and then stir it, but we're not going to over stir it. When you're making muffins like this, you really don't want to overdo it. And once everything is moistened a little bit, we are going to add in some wheat flakes and then just stir those in as well. Since this is cooking for two, it only makes 6 muffins, and so we're going to drop this by spoonfuls into 6 muffin wells and then throw it in the oven. Still warm from the oven, gonna give it a try, see what we think of these spicy crunch muffins. So 2 things, they're not that spicy and they're not that crunchy. Now I know that there is the cinnamon and there is the nutmeg in here, however it's a very mild flavor that comes through with the cinnamon and nutmeg. It's there, but it's very mild, and I was a little concerned that the bran would be overwhelming in flavor. It's not. There's not enough in it, I guess. As far as the crunch goes, I suppose the walnuts would be what provides the crunch, but it's not very crunchy either, although there are little nuggets of walnuts that are in there. Kind of a mild flavored muffin. I wouldn't say it's bad, but it definitely needs some extra flavor to zhuzh it up a little bit. Let me know what you think in the comments, give it a try, and like I said, not a bad recipe, just a very mild flavored muffin. We'll see you next time.